Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you've been using a PC for a long time, you might remember that in the days of Windows 98, Windows XP, there used to be in the games that was part of Windows, the famous pinball game. And of course, there was a lot of games that came with Windows. Well, a lot. There's a folder with some games that came with Windows all the time. And of course, one of them that I would see as a tech guy everywhere was the Solitaire game. I was always kind of puzzled to see people with high-end, very powerful PC playing Solitaire. But there used to have been there used to be a pinball game. And this pinball game actually was not Microsoft's own code. It was part of another company's pinball machines, and it was actually probably Microsoft paid some amount for this to be in Windows. Now, it disappeared after Windows XP, and the reason why is that they actually tried to do a 64-bit version so that they could move forward with the app. And it created a huge bug in the game. And so they ended up saying, look, it's not worth all the time that we're going to spend to try to fix it to keep the pinball game. It's better to just take it off. So it really disappeared because of a bug that just made it kind of not work well. And they didn't want to spend, money and resources on just fixing some pinball game in Windows. But yeah, kind of a interesting piece of little Windows history here. When this pinball game was there, I remember playing quite a few games on it. It was nice. So yep, no pinball game because of a bug. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.